Thank you. Thank you very much. You know, as I go around the state campaigning, what I hear, the complaints I hear are, there's too much government spending. Do you agree with that? I hear that there's too much government control in our lives. Do you agree with that? I hear that there's too much government corruption. Do you agree with that? I believe that there's too much government control, too much government spending, and too much government corruption because there's too much government, period. Do you agree with that? Well, what is it that limits the government? It is the Constitution. We need judges who will uphold the Constitution and enforce the rule of law. Do you agree with that? You know, earlier this year, my wife and I celebrated our 22nd wedding anniversary, and I made a rookie mistake. I asked her if she wished she'd married somebody different. And she said, honey, they don't get any different. Well, our government needs something different. There is a philosophy in our government that its job is to use the resources, including the individual, our property, for the purposes of government. I believe in a different philosophy, and that philosophy was penned by Thomas Jefferson. He said, we are endowed by our Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, that to secure these rights, governments are instituted among men. What that means is government's duty, government's role is to protect our rights as individuals, to let us go about our jobs and raise our families, and to protect us against encroachments from government and other individuals. That's government's role. If the judge is doing their job in upholding the Constitution and enforcing the rule of law, that enhances our freedom. And that's why I'm running. With your help, I know we can win this seat, and we can make a positive contribution on the Court of Appeals and a positive contribution to the cause of liberty. And so I ask for your vote November 2nd. Thank you very much.